on to section 5, which is the last part. In the following passage, the numbered gaps indicate missing words. Against each number in the list below the passage, 4 choices are offered in columns lettered A to D. For each numbered gap, choose from the options provided for that number the word that is most suitable to fill the gap. Okay, scientific inventions rarely come to us without their attendant risks. One such invention is electricity, which is put to a wide variety of uses. Electricity can be produced in many ways. Before hydroelectricity, for example, can be produced, a dash has to be built across a fast-flowing water. And that is option C, a dam. You don't build a tunnel to produce electricity. You don't build a barrier. You don't build a bridge. What we build is called a dam. Is a dam that we build to generate electricity. Okay, 42. An artificial dash is then formed and is water channeled through dash, specially designed. Okay, question 42. I think the right answer there is reservoir. Okay, question 43. 43. And is water channeled through dash, specially designed. Such an engine is called a dynamo. So option B is our answer. It's option B, dynamos. That is 43. Specially designed and built to dash electricity. So we generate electricity. We don't manufacture electricity. We don't make electricity. We don't create electricity. We simply generate electricity. Okay, question 45. Electricity is used to power a vast array of electronic dash in homes and for reading at night. The tools you use at home are called, the electric tools you use at home are called gadgets, and not just tools, not materials, and not instruments. They are electrical gadgets. That is option C. That is option C. Question 46. It is when there is power dash that the value of electricity is really felt. 46. A, outage. B, stoppage. C, shortage. And D, hot. You don't talk of a power hot. You don't talk of a power shortage. You don't talk of power stoppage, but power outage. That is option A. Question 47. Electrical dash are not stable. Electrical waves, electrical currents, electrical charges, and electrical surges. The right word there is electrical current. And that is the flow of electricity through a material, through something. Okay, sometimes there are fluctuations and this can damage appliances. Amounts of electrical power are measured in watts. That's option D. You measure the unit of measuring electricity is called a watt. That is option D. 49. Okay. Amounts of electrical power are measured in watts and flow through wires which are insulated. When you cover something with something else in order to stop it from causing a shock, you insulate it. That is insulated. Okay, the last one. This is done to prevent shocks and dash. Shocks and dash. You don't talk of execution. You don't talk of electrification here. You don't talk of extermination. You simply talk of electrocution. And that is when somebody dies as a result of electrical shocks. You must know the difference between electrocution here and electrification. You electrify a place, it will supply a place with electricity. And when someone is electrocuted, he dies as a result of an electrical shock. So this brings us to the end of this class. Thank you very much and goodbye.